Hi everyone, it's Gail. I'm here with a little bonus video today. Just going to do a quick flip through of the Nature Notes Spring Journal and then the Muse. So I thought I would do that quick. I'm going to put them on my Etsy soon. Let's see. I think I'll put this on Sunday as I'm not sure that I'm going to do an Etsy share until Monday because we have granddaughter volleyball on Sunday. So, all that to say, I think these will list on Monday. So, I've tied it with a little bit of vintage lace. And let's look at this. I've added a few things. I finished it off camera. So again, this is the Ciao Bella paper, and it's called the Muse. And so we have this little writer gal there. We've got a little card with this book belongs to. I made this journal card, just added one of the pieces of ephemera. This this collection has a lot of fun little ephemera to work with. So that goes in the lacy belly band. And then I love this pink lace that it's just perfect for this journal. Lots of writing space in here, which is only right because it's a writing theme. Made this little tag. This is one of the journal cards from the collection. And yeah, I just really am happy with how this one turned out. Then I just stuck one of the little journaling cards in here. This, as you might remember, has little journal cards, and then in the middle, oh yeah, that's how this one goes. Never mind. It comes off like this and has a little writing pad in the middle and then clips again. Okay, this flips out. Here's a little book page pocket with a journaling card in it. This is the little flip-flappy thing that flips up. It's got, I don't know if that's on camera. It's got a little notepad here, and then writing space here, pocket at the bottom with some journal cards, and then just decorative. So we made that on camera, so you probably have seen that. Okay, and then a little book pocket that has a journal card in it. A little doily, lace on the pages. Then I made a couple of tags for in these pockets that I just created out of the 12 by 12 paper. This one I kind of centered. The writing is the painting of the voice there. And then this one I added a little label that says write like it matters, and it will. And then on the charms I have on here, I have some glasses, and I have a little feather, which reminded me of like a feather pen, you know. This little envelope with a little writing spot. This came from Sagita. And then a little journal card there. This flips out. And another one of the flippy flappies. This one's tucked behind the camera. And we've got a pocket up here. We've got a flip out down here that can be written on. And then we've got journaling cards on either side. So that's that one. Again, flip outs, just for added writing spaces, all that really does. And then this pocket, it's got journaling cards in it as well, and then journaling cards tucked behind it too. Some more journal cards. This little pocket, I just made a little tag out of a cutoff from the paper, and then I made this big tag and used the ephemera to put the Muse on there, and then put a little bit of lace on the top. This envelope also from Sagita, and I just put some coffee dyed paper inside of it, and then there's a big journaling card behind that one. And so then on the back, we've got a pocket, and I just tucked 3 journal cards in there, so extra journaling space. So that's it. That's the Muse. Oh, I love that paper, as I know you guys did too. There was much chatter about where do I find it, and I just put this down so it covers up the typewriter instead of her little face. And that's that one. Yeah, there was much discussion on where to get the paper, and my paper said limited edition, so I don't know even if it's available anymore. But anyway, there's that one. And then the double journal that we did the start to finish series on, I have wrapped around crinkled pink seam binding, and then it's got a little dangle from Triple V Vintage on the bottom. And I just wrapped it around a couple times because I wanted to give plenty of string in case this fills up even more. So on the front, I just put a coffee dyed index card in that pocket. And then we open it up, and there is this big journaling card in this pocket, which is kind of more or less the cover of the first journal. So we'll do a quick flip through. I didn't do a whole lot more, but I did do a few things, I think. I tucked one of my woven tags in there because I just thought it was pretty. And then there's this journal card too. I suppose I should pull them out just so you can see. Super cute with that little girl on there. Okay, so that's that page. These pages I've gotten questions about. Rhonda without an H on Etsy is the name of her shop. And it's wonderful because it's so crinkly. Some flower book page, coffee dyed ledger, little green doily. This one has this journal card and some tags and tea card from the digital kit. The digital kit, once again, Nature Notes Spring from Joey Card Maker. And so I love how he does this. Makes the pages match up. Little Edith Holden. These are from the kit, and you might remember we made this a belly band and tucked a little extra paper in there for a little extra note. Put this envelope that I had made. I need to make some more of those. That needs to be on my list. It fits perfectly in this bag, and so then I just flapped the flap over. Book page pocket with tag with journaling space on the back. Oh, it's such a gorgeous kit. This is a fun Secrets of Devon Wood is what this book is, and I put it in the middle of the signatures. Some Kool-Aid dyed paper. This is a bag that I just put this card over the top, and then there's a little tag there. This is one of the glassine bags from Triple V Vintage as well. And then this little pocket from the kit with a journaling card and a tag. And the Edith Holden. Avocado dyed paper. This one, this is a double journal card from the kit with a notebook in there. Kool-Aid dyed. And then the last page, once again, with journal card and piece of coffee dyed paper. And so that's it there. And then close that up, flip this over, and just making sure I'm in camera. And we have a piece of vellum, a pocket there that I didn't put anything in because I didn't want to cover up this cute little sheepy. So then we start this one, same with the pocket from the kit. This is another page from Rhonda, and I just put a plain tag in that one, in that little pocket. Oh, I forgot to tell you, on the middle signature of this one, it has a bee and a ladybug charm. Little coffee dyed doily, book page pocket with tag again. Sorry, flip through that a little quick. This little envelope is a pocket in there, and then I have a fabric tag tucked in there. And this little pocket has 2 journal cards in it, just kind of stacked up there like that. Oops. And then in the middle of this signature, we have a bunny and a butterfly charm. Edith Holden again. And in this one, we have a tag, and then we have another one of the envelopes that, that I've decorated. This little pocket, this is Dreams Etc. paper, this pocket. And this again has a double journal card in the back with a little notebook. And the last episode of the start to finish, I had made this sack and I set it over there, and I just kind of forgot about it until I was cleaning up, and it's like, oh, I need to add that. So I added that, and then I put this big journal card that is Edith Holden paper and just slipped that into the pocket like that. I do love how that one came out. It's really pretty. I don't know if the flowers show up well on camera, but it's just very subtle little cherry blossoms with the birdies. It's beautiful. And then this is the pocket tag and coffee dyed paper again. And that's it. That is the double journal. And so I just hold it with one hand, pull the wrap around, and pop it through like so. So there we go. There they are. Both will come with a letter from a journal maker. This is the one for the spring journal, which is an embossed envelope, and this also embossed envelope. And so yeah, letters from the journal makers will be included. So there you have it. Those are the 2 that I've been working on recently. Thank you so much for watching and letting me flip through. And like I say, I think these will be in the shop next Monday. So thanks so much, everybody. Have a grateful day. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.